The findings discussed were made possible by three distinct studies ran by Dr. Allison. In his first study, he studied 15 individuals with the AS genotype and 15 individuals with the AA. What he found was that 14 out of 15 people who had the AA genotype developed malaria, while only one individual with the AS did. In his second study, he tested close to 300 children and found that 28% of children with an S allele developed malaria, while 46% of children without a sickle cell trait developed the disease. In his third study, he took samples of over 5,000 people all over Africa and found that in the areas where the plasmodium was present, so was a high prevalence of the S allele and vice versa. In this particular environmental situation, the S allele is viewed as being advantageous and thus is passed on to the next generation. But if the S allele was in an environment in which the possibility of a malarial infection was low, then the S allele would no longer have its survival advantage and now would be considered a disadvantageous trait in the population. Applying your knowledge of genetics and what we just discussed, which family would you suggest has the most advantageous traits for survival in the middle of Africa and why? And the next question, would the same family have the same survival advantage if they were to be living in the United States?